This is a love reading for you, Sagittarius, for you and your partner. Maybe this person is your love interest, maybe it is your spouse, it is your ex, somebody you have a crush on. So let us see how's the guidance. Please note that this is a general reading, so everything will not resonate with all Sagittarius, and whatever may resonate will vary in the intensity. Also, I have given is my January newsletter. You want to download it, go through it in detail, and share it with as many people. I have also given is links to my other readings. You want to read the details and then book a reading you like. So let us see how's the guidance looking, Sagittarius, for you and your love interest. So who are you in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength and challenges you bring? What is the strength and challenges your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear the two of you have about the future together? What is the past you both are coming from? And how will be the overall the guidance for the reading? So let us see. Sagittarius looks like there is something that is worrying the two of you very deeply, and it has gotten something to do with the children. Either you're feeling disappointed with children, or you're feeling, or you have got some there is a certain maybe concern about having children. I'm just seeing that there is something to do with children which is not working out for you, and it may be causing a lot of distress to your partner as well. I'm seeing is your partner is under a lot of anxiety and is in almost in a decision dilemma, or is unable to decide in a certain way how things should move forward. So something related to children is giving you a lot of distress. Either you're not able to conceive, or there is a child and you are not able to decide a certain way through with the child. So I'm just saying there is this energy which seems to be occupying the two of you. When I look at the guidance, your partner is looking at you, wanting to discuss it, but you are someone who's not really open and doesn't want to speak about it just yet. Now, what is the strength and challenges you bring, and what is the strength and challenges your partner brings? You are not opening up, Sagittarius, and you're also not very free. There is not much that you are sharing. You're just keeping things to yourself. You're keeping very quiet, and you may be sharing a lot of your pain or difficulty, or even discussing a lot of things with a lot of other people than your partner. And the reasons could be maybe there is certain something that you don't want to cause more stress to your partner for whatever reason, but you're keeping things to yourself. So I'm not sure what really is bothering, but it's looking like more like a child's energy which is bothering the which is at the center of the relationship right now. So what is the strength and challenges your partner brings? Your partner is very, very supportive. He or she is very bonding and emotionally very strong, and likes to keep a very warm energy with you. He or she is a team player and is just genuinely a very likable person. Your partner may have a lot of friends or people who truly like interacting with your partner. He or she is very, very warm and loves to talk and get along with people. Your partner is doing everything, Sagittarius, to keep the relationship together, to make things work out. There's a lot of warmth and love that your partner is showing. You seem to be a little bit aloof, cut off, and cold to me. Now, how do you see your partner, and how does your partner see you? You see your partner as someone who's not yet had the day under the sun, or not yet seen the success, or not has reached a certain success just yet. So you feel there's a lot for your partner to achieve and it's not yet come along. Your partner sees you as someone who does work a lot, has a lot to show for, but then also spends a lot. So your partner feels that you are not here to please or impress anyone. Whatever you earn, you spend, and you spend very generously or lavishly, and you may have very little to bank on. Some of you may have no money worries. That's how also how your partner sees you, that you have no money worries. You spend very easily, very lavishly and casually. Now, what is the hope or fear the two of you have about the future together? Let us see. About the future, I'm saying is you are looking at things as they come, and you are not willing to take a quick decision, or you Sagittarius, you're not hoping that may this relationship work out in a certain way. I hope the future will look in a certain way. That's not how you're hoping. You're taking a day as it comes, and you're willing to deal with as and how the situations will be. This is how your outlook is towards the future. You don't want to work on certain hopes, you don't want to work on certain fears. You are saying, I will take things as they come and deal with them as and how a situation shows up, or whatever shows up. So you're keeping a very practical approach, and you're not harboring any great hopes or any great fears about this relationship. You're very matter of factly about it. Your partner, on the other hand, is feeling your partner is feeling there's a lot that is lost, and he or she feels very disconnected or very sad in their own way. So your partner feels for this relationship to work out, that one of you needs to come out of this sadness. So it's mostly looking to me, it is you, Sagittarius, instead of your partner. The reason is you're not talking, you're a little bit cut out, and your partner feels that unless you open up, things are not going to improve for the future. Now, what is the past you are coming from, and what is the past your partner is coming from? I'm not sure, but Sagittarius, it's quite possible you may have lost some money in a gamble, or in some kind of loan, or in trying to start some business. Looks like you were very well to do, and then you made some great losses. So that's the energy you seem to be coming from the past. So there are a lot of things that are bothering you, Sagittarius. There's something emotionally happening, there's something to do with the family life, and then there's a lot going on with the money part also. Your partner is very careful with the money. He or she seems to have some kind of a special skill, and I'm seeing that he or she may have invested their money very well. I'm just seeing is a very cautious, very very cautious person who thinks for the long term when they are spending money. So you're out of the two of you, your partner seems to have a lot of money sense. He or she may already be doing retirement planning, even though the two of you may be very young. Now let us see how's the guidance for the reading overall. Okay, there's a lot of heartbreak to deal with. I don't know, but there is a certain heartbreak or a fight or a pain that the two of you are dealing with. It's quite possible a certain pregnancy did not work out very well, or just some sad news in a certain way has been bothering the two of you. I'm seeing a heartbreak at the center of this relationship, and the two of you are going to take time to deal with it and to come out of it or heal from it. So this is how the reading is looking, Sagittarius, for you and your love interest.